During our watercolor classes, we often hear questions like, I don't have quinacridone gold, what else might work? Or why would someone have 4 blues in their palette? And when it comes to swatching, I don't even know where to start when trying to make a color chart. I get lost and waste a lot of paint. Watercolor paints are just like people. They each have their own individual personalities and behaviors, but you don't really know them until you really interact with them and develop familiarity. Hello, it's Kitty with Etcher Studio. So in this live interactive class, I'm going to play matchmaker between you and the watercolor paints that you already have. You'll learn their personalities, characteristics, and behaviors so that you can better collaborate with them. You'll learn which paints get along well and which ones you wouldn't want to sit next to each other at a dinner table. I'll show you formulaic methods for preparing your paints for swatching so that you don't waste a lot of paint, make a big old mess, or drive yourself mad trying to keep track of where you are in the process. From all of this, you'll walk away with the skills you'll need to discover which paints you like and need, which ones you don't, and ultimately arrive at which colors to invite to take up residence in your own personal palettes. So please join me and let's make more art together.